Oftentimes, after uploading Zoom files to OneDrive, you will want to share those files with others, and there's a few different ways we can do that. First, we will navigate over to our Zoom Recordings folder and click to enter the folder. And we can see here, we still have our Zoom files that we uploaded earlier. And let's say that I want to share my lecture March 30th.mp4 file with someone else. What I will do is mouse over the file and select the 3 vertical dots, and in the drop-down menu, I'm going to select Share. This will open up a Send Link box in the middle of your screen. And we can see right here, I have a bar where I can enter an individual's email or a number of different emails so that people can receive a direct link to your file. And if we look over here on the side, we can even select security settings for our file. So we can decide if recipients can edit the file, if recipients can only view the file, or a number of other options. Additionally, we can use the same method, mouse over our file and select the 3 vertical dots, but this time in the drop-down menu, we'll select Copy Link. This will copy a hyperlink of your file that you can then paste into an email or a chat to share with others. And here on the bottom of the box, if we select People with existing access can use the link, this will open up a link settings box, which we can use to set security for our link. So we can decide if anyone who receives the link can open it, only people with a Cleveland State University email address can open the link, people who already have access to the link, or we can specify specific people who can open the link. For this example, I only want people with Cleveland State University email addresses to be able to access my link. So I'm going to select that option, and as we can see when we click, it opens up some additional settings we can use to set security for our link. I'm satisfied with these options, so I'm going to go ahead and click Apply. We are now ready to share our link with others at Cleveland State University. Email us at instructionaltech@csuohio.edu or visit our virtual Zoom help meeting Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 at https://csuohio.edu/Zoom help.